Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to set a password for a website on Google Chrome using an extension. First, open Google Chrome and search for Set Password Extension. Go to Chrome Web Store, open any extension that you would like to add, and click on Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension, and as you can see, the extension has been successfully added. Just click on it and go to Settings. Click Start Now. After setup, as you can see, the Google Chrome browser will be successfully added. To open it, just enter your password. And then you will be logged in to your Google Chrome account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.